guys like to collect stuff off the ground or outside on your walk? Do you? So, on the website and our resources, there is a sheet. So let's go on a scavenger hunt, and you can go on a scavenger hunt with an egg carton, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Again, you can download this on our website. So first, you'll need an egg carton, right? Yeah, you'll need one. So before I open my egg carton, I'm going to show you how to decorate it with cool stickers. These are some stickers that I like to use. They're called the reusable stickers, and they're inspired by nature because I do like using concrete items. I like children to see the real thing as realistic as possible. But if you don't have these really cool stickers, it's okay. Use whatever you have. So you can see I decorated mine. Butterflies. Yep. I'm gonna open it and show you all the cool things in here. So on the handout, it suggests that you maybe give children and prompt them to find things like something soft, round, prickly. I have small, open, and I have bumpy. But if you don't want to, you want to keep this activity very open-ended and child-focused, then you'll let them pick whatever they want, okay? But inside my egg carton, I have something prickly, okay? I have something prickly and open, okay? I have something soft. But what I did differently from the handout, how many of you guys have some old plastic eggs from Easter that you hid around the house? Anybody? Well, if you do, and you want to find an activity or some kind of way to use them, you can take them, half of them, and glue them inside your egg carton, okay? And you might want to let it sit for about a good 30 minutes before you guys go collecting with it. But this is a good way to hold your items together. And while you're outside collecting, let's talk about some tools. You guys know what this is? Yeah, you do? Okay. So this is my magnifying lens, and I'm going to use it to look at some of my treasure that I found. Okay? Taking your magnifying glass is a great idea when you're going on your walk, just like binoculars and bags and for collecting things, and your egg carton. Adults, if you're not comfortable with picking up bugs or a dead bug you might see or any type of critter, some great things that you can have, that you can use and let your children do it. It's like these recycled materials. Like I have this is a berry container. It already has the holes in it. You can scoop up a bug, observe it, and put it back, or it's dead. Like Anna in the story, she liked to keep those dead bugs. Here's another little container that I got some tomatoes the other day, and I thought it was a cool container. And that is that. I hope you guys get outside, enjoy this cool breeze, and it's a windy day. So guess what? You could probably find some really cool things around. Right? So enjoy your day.